The Computer Integrated Machining program at Craven Community College provides you with the real-world knowledge and understanding of today's machining practices and prepares you for a career in industrial settings, machine shops, aerospace manufacturers, and advanced manufacturing centers. Instruction includes manual machining, computer applications, engineering design, computer-aided drafting, machining operations, precision measurement, and high-speed multi-axis machining. You can work toward a certificate or an associate degree to qualify for many in-demand jobs in our community, or continue your education to attain a Bachelor of Science degree in Industrial Technology through a special partnership with East Carolina University. Whether you want to stick close to home or travel the world, the Computer Integrated Machining program at Craven Community College gives you the flexibility to start a new career today. To learn more about Computer Integrated Machining at Craven CC, visit cravencc.edu/CIM. Craven Community College, your first choice.